In this video, let us see how to draw the geometrical shapes. So for which we'll start with document class, and we'll have to make use of the package called ticks. So I'm using that in the preamble, use package ticks. Then we'll begin the document, end the document, begin the figure, end the figure, let it be in the center. So we'll begin with center, end that center. Now the content, so like what we are going to draw, which shape we are going to draw it, so that you can give here is begin text picture. So suppose for example, if I am drawing a line, right, if I am drawing a line, so it is backslash draw line. So I will have to give the coordinates 1 comma 2 to, say for example, 5 comma 8, right? So between these two, so now I'll have to end it with the semicolon, and let me also give the caption as line, right? The caption as line. So now we'll just compile it. Let us see how we get this line to be. Let us wait for it. It is getting compiled. So keep in mind always, whenever we make use of the package ticks and we draw whatever may be the shape, geometrical shape, we'll have to end it with a semicolon. So after that, let us see what will be the output for this. So see, we have got a line, and I've given the caption to be as line. So we got this. Suppose for example, if you want to draw a triangle, so now I'll have to give the coordinates in such a way that it is a triangle. So now let me start with 1 to 2, and next let it go to 5 comma 4, right, 5 comma 4, and next point let me take it to be as 5 comma 2. You be sure with the coordinates, right, and let it go to the original point 1 comma 2, right. So now instead of line, the caption, sorry, so I have semicolon. Instead of the caption as line, I'll have it as triangle. So now you compile it. We'll just see what is the output of this. So again, see here, we are beginning with the document, ending with the document, beginning with the figure, ending with the figure, and let it be in a center. We begin it, we'll have to end it with the center. Then we have the text picture begin and end. Within that only we'll have to give the command. So whatever geometrical shape we are going to draw. So let us wait for the compilation. It takes some time. See, we have got a triangle. And next, suppose in case if you want to get a rectangle, we'll have to give the coordinates. Like say for example, if I give the coordinate as 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 5, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 1 to the original point 2 comma 1, right? 2 comma 1. So now I'll have to change the caption as rectangle. This is a rectangle. Now I compile it. So for compilation it takes some time. Let us wait for it. And we can also color the shape of a thing, like whatever color we wanted we can give. We can have the thickness of that line. We can, even if you want to have it as a dotted line, you can have it. And also if you want to fill that shape with any other color, that also you can do it. You can do lots and lots in this latex. So this latex will not change the originality. So however we want it, we can get it. Let us wait for the compilation here. So we'll be getting the part. So it takes some time to get it compiled and the output. We have got the rectangle here. See, this is 2 comma 1. This is 2 comma 5. Here it is 5 comma 5, 5 comma 1, and again to 2 comma 1. So here we have a rectangle. And also within this we can do wonders, like we can have the color. Suppose, say for example, if you want to have the color to be as blue, right? And if you want it to be a bit thicker one, then if it has to be a dashed line, let us see how it works. Let us just compile it. I just want the line to be blue in color and thickness, as well as it should be in a dotted line. So let us see how it comes. So compilation takes a bit time. We'll wait for it. We'll see how we get the output for this particular rectangle. See, we have got it, a rectangle, dotted line, and also it is little bit of thick. Suppose in case if I want to fill this rectangle with blue color, now again I can just give it as fill, so that the entire rectangle box, it will be filled with blue color. Or if I want to change the color, I can change it to some other color as red or orange. Whatever color you want to do it, you can just give it. So you will get the desired output. So let us wait for some time. See now, we have got a rectangle and it is filled with a color blue. So next is, we'll see how to draw a circle. So it will be a different thing. If we want to draw a circle, we should give the center point as well as the radius. So now let me, I can have it to be the same thing, and I'll give here the center point to be as 3 comma 5, right? Let me have the circle with center as 3 comma 5, and I'm going to draw the circle and the radius is equal to 2 centimeters. So now let me give the caption as it to be a circle. So now I compile it. I'll have the same blue color I've given it. It should be thick, dashed, and then it can be filled with that corresponding color. And now I have given this circle will be drawn with the center at 3 comma 5 and radius to be as 2. So let us see how the output is. So one point we'll have to keep in mind that whenever we make use of TIX package and we are giving the command here, it should end with the semicolon. That is very, very important. Yes, see here we have got a circle with 3 comma 5 as center point and radius is 2. So and the caption we have given it to be as circle. So this is how we'll be drawing different geometrical shapes. So to summarize this video, we have learned how to draw a line, then how to draw a rectangle, triangle, circle, and also we can just give the color of that shape, and we can make it as a dashed one, or we can just increase the thickness of that line. Everything we can do it. Okay, thank you.